Hi, this is Sharon from JustMyBlogTalk.com, White Cap, and I bet you never thought in a million years you'd see me back online. Well, here I am. I took a break from Christmas on, and just been enjoying time with my family and enjoying the icicles and the snow and not having to go to work, which makes it even more better than you could possibly imagine. Okay, so anyway, this is one of my favorite magazines, Birds in Blooms, and it's talking about winter birds. And notice that I have some stickies here. All right, so this is actually part 1 of 3 to do with this magazine. Okay? All right, first of all, before I show you this gorgeous picture of this winter bird, the reason I'm interested in birds is all to do with my mother. My mother was born and raised in Montreal, Canada. She met my father during World War II, and they got married, and then she moved to Florida, actually Plant City, Florida, and that's where I was born and raised. One of the things that my mother looked forward to is the winter birds, birds that would fly south for the winter, and we would see many of them in our backyard, getting worms from the ground. But even though I'm familiar with certain birds like sparrows and blue jays and cardinals, crows, blackbirds, and so forth, I have never ever seen a bird like this. Notice its beautiful pink color along with the gray. That is such a beautiful bird. Beautiful. And there's a little quote that goes with this picture, and it says, "Down in the forest something stirred. It was only the note of a bird." And that was written by Harold Simpson. And it says also on this page, it says, "Look for pine grosbeaks this winter if you live in the northern states. These large finches love black oil sunflower seeds." Now, I think that even if I put black oil sunflower seeds out, I currently live in Virginia. I don't think I'm going to see this bird because I've lived here for a long time. I've never seen this bird. So, and it says northern states, so I guess Virginia, isn't as far up north as one would need for us to be able to see a bird like this. Now, also in the magazine, there's a little bit more information about this gorgeous bird. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. It looks like it's getting some holly berries. And I'm going to read to you what it says. It says, "Keep a close eye on your feeders this winter. Hungry nomadic flyers from the far north may make an unexpected stop. When food in the northern conifer forest is scarce, pine grosbeaks head south." Well, I guess they don't head far enough south because I haven't seen it. I haven't seen a bird like this. But I do have subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my blog. And if you've seen this bird, and you've seen it in Virginia, or you've seen it in Georgia or Alabama or Florida, states that wouldn't be considered northern states, write a comment on my blog. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you. Or if you have some pictures of this gorgeous bird, download them. Let me know about it, okay? Once again, it is Sharon from JustYourBlogTalk.com, White Cap. Come back for part 2. Bye.